In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a masking effect in Canva. First, open your design. If you already have a project in progress, go ahead and open that file. If you are starting fresh, just pick the size or template that fits your goal so you've got a clean canvas to work on. Once your design is open, it's time to bring in the image you want to mask. Head to the Uploads panel on the left and upload your photo. You can drag and drop it from your computer or use the Upload button. Give Canva a second to process the file, so it's ready to use at full quality. Next, navigate to the Apps section on the left side of the editor and search for Clipping Mask. This app makes the masking process quick and precise. Open it, and when prompted, select the image you just uploaded to start masking. If you don't see it right away, check your recent uploads or scroll through your gallery. Inside the Clipping Mask app, you can choose a shape or type text to act as your mask. A mask is simply the window that reveals your photo in a specific outline. For shapes, think about simple, bold silhouettes like circles, stars, or geometric frames that show off the subject clearly. For text, use thick, high-contrast fonts so your image reads well inside the letters. All caps and tighter letter spacing can help keep the image continuous from one letter to the next, while looser spacing can create a cleaner outline if you want more separation. If you are using multiple words, keep them short and impactful for the best visual result. Now adjust the positioning. This is where you fine-tune the composition. Drag the image to center a face, product, or focal point within the shape or letters. Use the zoom or scale controls to make your subject larger or smaller inside the mask, and nudge it until the most important details are clearly visible. Pay attention to contrast. Placing lighter areas of the photo against thicker parts of the mask usually improves readability. When everything looks balanced, click Add to Design. Canva will place the masked result onto your canvas as a single, clean element. From here, it will behave like any other graphic in your layout, so it fits right into your existing design without extra fuss. If you want to try a different shape or a new word later, just repeat the same process for a fresh variation. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.